What's up guys, Wilson here with our latest project, which is of this brand new Land Rover Defender 110X. So let's come take a closer look at the work that we'll be doing on this. This will be a combination of ClearGuard Alpha PPF and also SatinGuard PPF. And what this owner is having us do is for the gloss black areas on this car, we're going to use ClearGuard Alpha, the best gloss and best optical clarity PPF in this industry. And for the gray areas, we're going to SatinGuard it, transforming that gloss paint into a nice rich satin finish, exactly like the Model S that you see right over here. This was just completed with SatinGuard PPF, and that's going on to all the gray areas on this car. After the PPF is completed, what we'll be doing is ceramic coating the entire car. So what you see right now is going to be totally different by the time we're done with this. So let's move this in, get this part started, and at the very end, as usual, I'll show you the results. Alright guys, this Land Rover project is finally completed, and as you can see, the results look incredible. The owner chose SatinGuard over the gray paint and ClearGuard Alpha over the gloss black paint. And as you can see, actually was a really great decision to do so because it gives it a really distinct two-tone look, much more than when this came from the factory with everything gloss. Now you can see that the gray paint is where it is and the gloss is where it is as well. And as you know, SatinGuard is the exclusive matte satin paint protection film that we use here at Premier. It is the deepest, richest satin sheen out of any matte paint protection film in this industry, and the results speak for itself. Now, the last thing we did on this car is we coated the entire car with Medesta BC04 to give it added protection from the environment. So this car right now is ready to hit the road, giving the owner a peace of mind when he's driving the car. Now, last thing I want to mention too is that everything we did on here is custom installed so that it is as seamless as possible. Basically, the ultimate result, the thing that we want with all paint protection film installations is to make it look like there's nothing on there at all, or at the very least, that's how it came from the factory. And that's what you see right now. So guys, I want to thank you for watching another one of our videos, and until our next one, please stay tuned and I'll see you soon.